In today's Clickbank tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank by giving free things, by giving free stuff away. This is a really powerful method, and a lot of people undervalue it still. Still undervalue it. This method, you're not going to sell people anything, so to speak, and so your conversions will be better. And you can make $100 a day, $200 a day. Get your first sales online as an affiliate marketer. So in the video, I'm also going to show you where you can get these free things. I'm going to show you a website which will allow you to double your sales, and you can do this all without any experience, without any website, and it works wherever you are, as long as you're in one of the countries that you can become an affiliate with Clickbank. So stay tuned. Now, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you want to get notified when I post new videos, just subscribe below and hit that bell icon, and that'll allow you to get a notification every time I post a new video. Now, as you can see, we're over here at Clickbank. Now, if you haven't got an account, it'll be it's pretty straightforward. Just go over here to the right-hand corner, top right-hand corner, click on sign up, give them some name details and a nickname that you'll use when you're promoting your products. Pretty straightforward. Country, name, phone number, email address, and a password. And just, if you're having trouble getting the account open, just check that you've got the password within the characters that they allow. Often that's the biggest thing that stops people. They just get they don't put a password in that matches in with what Clickbank want. All right, now that you've signed up, you just go over here to the marketplace, which when you sign in, there's a link up here, marketplace. If you have a look here, Clickbank is one of the largest affiliate networks. They've been online for 20 plus years, 22 years now. And you have thousands of products that you can sell. The three best categories are health, wealth, and relationships. They're evergreen, which means they sell month in, month out, year round. Unlike, say Christmas or Easter, which is not evergreen. Products will sell for a couple of months and then nothing for the rest of the year. And we want consistent income, so choose something that's evergreen that sells, year round. Today we're going to pick, a product from the health and fitness category. As you can see, there's many different categories. But firstly, if you just click up here, click on the magnifying glass, do a search, and that will bring up all the top selling products and the commission rates and give you a bit of an idea if you haven't been here before. So you scroll through here, it's sorted by rank. I like to do it by gravity. What gravity is a number, and the number is the number of affiliates that have made at least one sale in the last 30 days. So you can see custom keto diet, very popular. It's got 430 odd people, 430 odd affiliates have made at least one sale. So that means they're making hundreds of sales a month. Some affiliates might be making 100 sales alone, but this is just the number that have made at least one sale. And then this will be where you get your affiliate link by clicking on promote. I like to have a look and see that it's got an affiliate or a JV page, and that on that page they will give you all the resources, images, banners, maybe email swipes, all those things, research that they've done that will help you sell this product. And the number here is the average commission that you will get per sale when someone buys through your unique affiliate link. So $129. And if you look down here, some also have a recurring, which means you'll get an upfront payment and then you'll get maybe $30, $20 or something recurring monthly. So today's product, the product we've chosen to do this tutorial, Clickbank tutorial today, is a program called Yoga Burn in the health and fitness category. And if you have a look here, it pays, and there's two reasons. It pays a good average commission, $114, and it has a rebill of approximately $30 per month. If you have a look at the gravity, it's got a gravity of 49, so you're not up there with 300, 400 gravity and competing against all those other affiliates. So 50, a gravity of 50, it's still quite good. I like to look around that 30 to 100 range. It's got good demand and it's not too competitive. Because if you're new to affiliate marketing, it's one thing to have a product or promote a product that's got a lot of demand, but if it's also got a lot of competition, it makes it harder for you to get started and to get sales. So look, once you've done this promotion, if you did no other work and you've made sales and took no other action, you would continue to get paid a recurring commission on top of the upfront commission as well. So if you got 10 or 20 sales, and you'd make your $114, and then 100 at $30 is $300 a month, $3,000 a month. 10 would be $300 a month. So it really is the best of both worlds: good commission up front and a recurring monthly payment. And as I said before, that red button there is where we promote. That's what gives us our affiliate link. I've just clicked on generate hop link, and that link there is your unique affiliate link where you'll send traffic to, and if they buy from that link, where you'll get paid. So this is your professionally designed website for, and it's what we call a VSL, a video sales letter, for the product that we're going to be promoting. These guys have put a lot of time, effort and research into the website and what converts. Now at the beginning of the video I told you we're going to be giving things away to increase our sales. Now not everybody does this, not many people do this, and this one simple thing will increase your conversions. Now don't worry about where am I going to get the products or whatever it is we're going to give away. I'm going to show you that in a moment too. I'm going to show you how to edit it and all the steps. So, and then we'll look at the end of the video, we'll look at traffic. So you won't want to leave. You want to watch the video till the end to get all the steps. All right, so we're going to be giving away a book around the product we're going to promote. So we're going to go over here to a website called Instructables, instructables.com. You'll need to sign up for a free account to be able to get access to these products. So, and of course it's free, so go ahead and sign up and come back. All right, now we're just going to go over here to the search box and we're going to type in yoga. And we're going to see what comes up. Now the product we choose from here has to be congruent, has to be in line with the product that we're actually going to be promoting. Okay. All right, this product here looks good. Relieving stress with yoga, 11 steps, Instructable. So we just click on that. I'm going to show you what we do with this in a moment. If you've got no tech skills, no experience, it's chill and relax. So I'm going to show you how to do this step by step without any of those requirements. So look, I'd suggest you have a look through, read it. I've had a quick look before. Read it, get to know it. It's your product, it's your niche. So go through it, just become familiar with it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to download this product. We're going to download it to our computer. And then I'm going to show you the magic we do with this. So as you can see, step by step, 11 steps as to what to do. So we download this now. Click over here and download. And you might just call it yoga book, call it something that you will know what it is. Now we're just scrolling through step 8, step 9, step 10, step 11, and then when you get to the end, you'll see it's got, the last page is pretty well blank. Well, I'm going to show you a little ninja trick on how we can congruently have people become interested in the product that we've got. Okay, so the next is we go over to this website called Sejda, SEJDA.com. This is going to allow us to upload the PDF we've downloaded and edit it. Alright, so here we go. We click on this, edit a PDF document is free. And this is the document we've just downloaded. So we'll browse and choose that. Upload PDF files. As you can see, it's now uploaded. You can use other PDF editors. This is a free one that I found, and I'll just want to make this Clickbank tutorial easier for you. So we're just going to scroll to the bottom to that blank page. Now this is going to be the gift. This is the free things that I said we're going to give away to our customer, our prospective customer. So we scroll down here to the blank page. Alright, so we're going to click on shapes. We're going to click on rectangular, and we're just going to draw a rectangle. Now we want to fill that with some color, so let's choose that, and we want to give it a darker boundary, a border. Let's go with a, say, a grey, not a black. It just looks a bit shadowy that way. Oh, it's too light, you can't notice it. We'll choose that one there. Okay. Now, alright, so now we're going to add text. So we click over here, add text. As you can see now, this is where the little ninja secret squirrel strategy comes into it. Remember, I said we want to be congruent. So we've gone through this free book we've giving them, and it's got 11 steps. So you can see now I've typed in step 12, watch this free video presentation, because this landing page that we're using for the affiliate product has a video sales letter. So you couldn't say watch this free video if you're sending the page that didn't have a video. So now we're going to drag this up here, center it. We might make that a little bit larger and bold it. So to increase the font size, we just go here, and there's a little slider, so you can see, slide that, and then you can just move that around. We want to center it up, of course. Oops, we want to center it, get rid of that first. Choose the color white because it pops. Now this step is really important. You need to get this step right. So next we go up here with the chain link, and we're going to click on add a new link. And you'll see that it pops up here. Now remember the affiliate link that we got from Clickbank earlier. Go back and get that. So we just copy that. So now we click away from that, and we drag this up here. We'll resize it. Now when someone clicks on this is, as you can see, this is our affiliate link. When you download it, just give it another file name, maybe same file name, and put, name edited or something like that. Save to Dropbox. You can save it to wherever you like. But I'm going to give you another website. So our book is downloaded. I've just gone through it. Now, this is a much better way to promote products. You're not selling buy my product, and people, people see you being helpful. So they get to step 12, they click on this, watch the free video presentation. You can see down there is your Clickbank link. It'll take them to the Yoga Burner website. They'll watch the video, and they'll have an opportunity to buy the product, and with your affiliate link. Now the next step is go to YouTube, open a new tab, go to YouTube and type in Graeme Jarry. And then what you do open one of these videos and click on the red subscribe button. Except it's not there because I'm already subscribed, but click on the red subscribe button and you'll be notified of any future video I upload. Now, how was that experience for you? Rather than me say go and subscribe, the next step is I gently and genuinely said this is the next step, and if you want to get more videos, this is how you can do it. Now we want to store your book somewhere. Now you could use Google Drive, you could use Dropbox, but I've taken you over here to a website called gofile.io. Very straightforward and simple. We just go to upload files, click here or drag the files onto the page. We'll just click on the name of the edited file that we downloaded. Wait for that to upload. It wants me to log in to be able to access that file, so just need to set up an account as free. And there we are. There's the download link that you will use to send people to the book. Okay, so the next part of the equation is we now need to get traffic. Now, one of the powerful things I've been using lately is TikTok, and don't underestimate it. You drive traffic there, people are getting millions of views in a day, and they just put a link in their bio back to, and you'll need to go and find a YouTube video about that. But one of the most powerful places that you can promote this, and don't go spamming your links anywhere that'll just get you banned, is just go over to over to Facebook and Facebook group. Now what we do, we just go up here into the search bar, the magnifying glass, and type in yoga. We want to filter that by groups. We could have done it before. And you'll see around here lots of groups. This group here, 99,000 members, 330 posts a day. So you just go over here and you join that group. So as you can see, many more. I'm in Australia, so some of these Australian ones show up first. 1,000 members to 27,000. Go through, join these groups. So what you can do now, you then go in here and say, hey, you could type something like, hey guys, I found a free book on how to relieve stress with yoga. And then you just type in the link. And if the image loads for the link, just delete the image and have the link. Now when I say the link, what I mean is the link to your Go file where they can download the free book. Because remember, they're going to go through that book, and then the last step 12 says click on the video to get whatever it is, to watch this free video. So that's how to make money with Clickbank, giving free things, and it's cost you nothing to do it. Now, and that's just one method of promoting it. Another powerful way is create your own group, and then you would go in around that. Then you'd go into these other groups maybe and see who's active, and then invite them to your group, and then you've got more control over that group. And there are many other ways. And like, if you're interested in other ways of promoting it, I've got many different traffic methods on my YouTube channel, as you can see here. So just if you want to explore other options as far as traffic, just go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, and you'll get notified. You can go through them and choose what suits you. You might be more, you may be more familiar with Instagram, you may be more familiar with YouTube. So the strategies are a little different, but they're still the same. They're free organic traffic. So as I say, if you've got value and you like the content of my channel, feel free to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of future videos. And if you've got any comments or questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below. I do read them and I do answer them. So that's my Clickbank tutorial on how to make money with Clickbank, giving free things.